Hi there, I'm Addie. In this video tutorial, we will step you through how to customise the appearance of your ebook to suit your reading preferences. The options available depend on whether the ebook is a PDF or an EPUB. To begin, use the magnifying glass icons at the bottom left of the reader to zoom in and out of the footer. You can also use the drop-down menu to adjust the size to a specific percentage, or select Fit Width for one page of the ebook to fit your screen. If your device has a trackpad or touchscreen, the reader also supports pinch to zoom. Use the settings on the bottom left to access the rest of the viewing options. For both PDFs and EPUBs, check the reader version if support is needed, or enable the in-app walkthrough, which provides an interactive guide to the reader. For EPUB documents, change the font size to suit your taste, or switch between night, day and sepia modes. Students with learning difficulties can benefit from ReadCloud's EPUB features, with font dyslexia available and the sepia background option helping make reading easier. If your ebook is a PDF, you can change between light and dark mode, which affects the background colour behind the ebook. The flow option changes the scrolling direction, be it either horizontal or vertical. The continuous option enables you to view one page or multiple pages at a time on your screen. And if you're viewing multiple pages on your screen in the continuous mode, gutter refers to the space between each page, from a large gap to none, which can be useful if you have a graphic or a table that goes over more than one page. We hope you've enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. ReadCloud, the e-reading software used by leading schools across Australia.